The University of Nebraska-Lincoln has made significant additions to its East Campus over the last few years. Home to the university's Institute of Agriculture and Natural Resources, the campus has a recently renovated rec center and will soon feature a new residence hall and veterinary diagnostic center. And in May, UNL's Agricultural Economics Department held an open house for its new commodity trading room in Philly Hall. For UNL's Ag Econ students, this unique facility provides an opportunity to gain real-world experience by following the daily moves of a market in session. In real time, the ticker atop UNL's new commodity trading room tracks the ups and downs of futures prices for corn, soybeans, wheat, cattle, and hogs. With the help of about $700,000 from donors, UNL's Ag Economics Department will use this room to help teach its students about the workings of commodity markets. Department head Larry Van Tassel says several business colleges have investment rooms connected to the stock market, but facilities of this type in an educational setting are fairly rare.
It's not utilized a lot in Ag Econ departments, but we thought, what a great opportunity to connect to the mercantile exchange and to be able to have a room to where students can really learn how to look at markets, how to analyze markets, and how to make decisions based upon markets.
Finished this spring, the commodity trading room can accommodate 46 students on 46 separate stations. Undergrads began using the room last semester under instructors Jeff Peterson and Fabio Matos.
The purpose was to have some sort of lab for our students to learn more about commodity markets. So just like plant science, animal science, they have their own labs where students can go and have hands-on experience with their subjects. So we wanted to do something like this in economics, in ag economics as well.
With dual monitors at each station, instructors can pull up PowerPoint slides, a current project, or market quotes. Van Tassel says the ability to show students prices in real time has led to a shift in class schedules.
Well, one of the things that was interesting is before this trading room, a lot of these classes were held in the afternoon. Now all of our instructors that utilize this have moved the courses to the morning and make sure that they are teaching when the markets are open.
From a marketing perspective,
any commodity market can experience volatile price swings during a session, but markets may be especially vulnerable when the U.S. Department of Agriculture releases key reports, such as its monthly supply and demand estimates for corn, soybeans, and wheat. If a class is in session at the time of that release, always at 11 a.m. Central Time, students are able to see traders' reactions.
So we can see at 11 o'clock when the report comes out, and we can see immediately what happens to price at that very moment. Then we can talk about the new information, the new numbers coming out in that report, how that might have affected expectations from buyers and sellers, and then understand why the market reacted that way.
With screens on each end of the room, instructors will also be able to bring in other marketers through video conferencing to discuss why a market is responding a certain way on a given day. Peterson's classes involve tracking the bottom line of a producer, which can be better illustrated by using the tools of this room.
what it allows us to do is incorporate a lot of the real-time items that are going on and really help the students understand how quickly the market moves, but most importantly to be able, because of some of the software we're able to use now, to be able to show them what difference that's making on their bottom line.
The room features 3 software platforms from BarChart, GrainBridge, and Telvent DTN. These products help show futures data, costs of production, and basis maps across the country.
Basically, this software is the same software that they would utilize as they go out to the workplace as a grain merchandiser, commodity trader. So it really does prepare them for the workforce.
In addition to working with students at UNL, Peterson also works with farmers on their marketing plans as the president of Heartland Farm Partners. He says the experiences students can get from this trading room will better prepare them for jobs after graduation.
The biggest thing that I continue to hear from the students is they go, this is so applicable to my situation. Because when we go through and we do our final project, they can use their home farm or ranch, or they can use a case farm. And what it helps them do is to really cement the concepts and the theory that we teach. They're able to walk away from the class and really see how it applies to everyday situations they'd make if they're in the role of making marketing decisions.